Hello friends, welcome once again to my YouTube channel MUC Smart Learning. Today subject is marginal costing. Before moving on to the subject, I am remembering to you, please subscribe our channel and don't forget to click the bell icon to get further notification. Now I am move on to the subject. Here I have a old question paper where that I am taken a 10-mark question relating to marginal costing. So the question paper is the question taken from Tiruvallur University November-December 2017 examination. So the degree is second BA Corporate Economic, the subject Management Accounting. So where that I am taken marginal costing question 10 mark. So here I am reading out the question. From the following cost structure and selling price of 2 years which is remains same, the certain information given, that is a first year sales is 1,20,000, first year profit is 9,000. Then second year sales is 1,40,000, second year profit is 13,000. So where that they ask you to prepare or find it out profit volume ratio, nothing but PV ratio. Then as the same break even point, in short BEP or BES, that is a break even sales. So here the next they given profit when sales are rupees 1 lakh, and then last one they ask sales required to earn a profit of 20,000. So this is the question. So where that we have to go for the solution part. So now the first one they ask PV ratio. So what the PV ratio formula? That is contribution divided by sales into 100. Then another formula is there, that is change in profit divided by change in sales into 100. So here two formulas are there. Which formula we have to take? Because based upon the question the formula is different. So here the question, in a question contribution is there, so here in the question there is no contribution or related information given, so we cannot take this. So we have to take change in profit, because two profits given, two sales given, so where that you can find out the changes. So here we go through that change in profit. So that is first year profit, second year profit. If you subtract, you may get that 13,000 minus 9,000, you may get 4,000 as a profit. That is a change in sales. Here two sales are given, so take it 1,40,000 minus 1,20,000. if you subtract this, you may get 20,000 as a sales. So now use the formula, that is a change in profit. So change in profit, that is a 4,000 divided by change in sales, that is 20,000 into 100. If you simplify this, you may get 20%. And now we go to the second one. They ask break even point, that is BEP or BES. So break even point, that is a formula is fixed cost divided by PV ratio. Fixed cost divided by PV ratio is the formula. So here in the question there is no fixed cost are given. So for that we have to find it out fixed cost. So that is fixed cost. So fixed cost formula is there. So that is fixed cost formula, contribution minus profit. Contribution minus profit. So here in a contribution, so there is no information given in the question relating to contribution. So again we have to calculate the contribution first to go for the fixed cost. So contribution, a certain formula is there, that is sales into PV ratio. So here sales. So in the question given the sales, but two sales are given. So which one we have to take? First year sales or second year sales? So here you can take any one sales, first year sales or second year sales. So I am taking a first year sales. I am taking first year sales. So the sales is, first year sales is 1,20,000. So I am taking 1,20,000 into PV ratio. PV ratio we found that here 20%. So 20%. In a 1,20,000 into 20%, you may get the answer 24,000 is what? It's a contribution. So here we may use the formula, that is a contribution is 24,000 minus profit. So profit, in the question two profits are given, 9,000 first year profit, second year 13,000. So which profit we have to take? So here we have to go through a contribution concept. So here in a contribution, first year sales we taken, means on the same time if you in a profit way you have to take the first year profit one. So here in a first year profit is what? 9,000. So 9,000. So simplify, for 24,000 minus 9,000 you may get 15,000 is the what? Fixed cost. That is a fixed cost. Use the formula. Now fixed cost 15,000, fixed cost 15,000 divided by PV ratio here 20%. So if you simplify these, that is you may get 75,000. So break even point is 75,000. And now we move on to the third one, that is profit when sales are rupees 1 lakh. So I am writing here the same, profit when sales are rupees 1 lakh. So here what they are asking? They are asking if the sales is 1 lakh, what is the profit amount? Based upon the question's information we have to calculate this. So how we can calculate? So we have to go through that. So like what? Here for the calculation of profit we need certain thing. First we have to go through the contribution. Contribution equal to sales into PV ratio. So here sales is what? So here in this sales you have to take. So this sales you have to be take. That is a sales is 1 lakh into PV ratio. What PV ratio? We found here that's a 20% PV ratio, that you have to use 20%. So in a 1 lakh 20% if you calculate that, you may get a 20,000 is the contribution. So where that contribution, we have to find out the profit. So profit equal to contribution minus fixed cost. So contribution, here we find it out, 20,000 minus fixed cost. Fixed cost here already we find it out. So fixed cost is here 15,000. So 15,000 we have to take here. So 15,000. So you may get 5,000 as a profit. So then last one. So what they given? Last one, sales required to earn a profit of rupees 20,000. So I am writing here the same. Sales required to earn a profit of rupees 20,000. So with this we have to calculate what they asking. If the profit is 20,000, what will be the sales? Here is a opposite to this. So here profit given, sales asking. So here we have to go through. So here is a certain differ formula. Required sales equal to required profit plus fixed cost divided by PV ratio. What's the formula? Required sale equal to required profit plus fixed cost divided by PV ratio. So we have to use this formula. Required profit, here in the question itself we given 20,000 is the required profit. Then plus fixed cost. What's the fixed cost? We find here the fixed cost is 15,000. So use this 15,000 here divided by PV ratio. PV ratio here we found 20%, the same 20%. If we simplify this, 20,000 plus 15,000, 35,000 divided by 20%. You may simplify 0.20. If you simplify these, you may get 1,75,000. So with this we conclude. So I am again recalling all those things. See, in the question they given only sales 2 years, profit 2 years information, where that they ask you PV ratio, break even point, and then profit when sales are 1 lakh, sales required to earn a profit of 2 lakhs. So first we go through PV ratio. That is a 2 formula is there. So we go throwing a second one. That is a change in profit divided by change in sales into 100. So here the change in profit. So first year profit is deducted with second year. You may get 4,000. Then as the same change in sales. First year sales deducted with second year sales, you may get 20,000 change in sales. If you using formula, that is a 4,000 divided by 20,000 into 100, you may get 20% as a PV ratio. Then second one they ask break even point. So break even point formula is fixed cost divided by PV ratio. So fixed cost in the question not given, so we have to find it out. Fixed cost equal to contribution minus profit is a formula. So contribution, there is no information given in the question, so again we have to calculate another formula, that is contribution equal to sales into PV ratio. So here sales we have, but two sales are there. Which sales we have to take? We can take any sales, so you may get the same one. So I am taken here first sales, that is 1,20,000 into PV ratio we already calculated, it's 20%. So if you simplify, you may get 24,000 is the contribution. So now we go the fixed cost formula. Contribution is 24,000 minus profit. So profit is what? The first year profit we have to take, because here in a contribution first year sales we take. So fixed cost, in the fixed cost also we have to take the first year profit. So 9,000, 24,000 minus 9,000, we may get 15,000 as a fixed cost, and by using a formula 15,000 divided by PV ratio is 20%, and we getting 75,000 is a break even point. And now move on to the third one. They ask profit when sales are 1 lakh. So they given sales 1 lakh, they ask you to find out what is the profit. So with that formula is contribution equal to sales into PV ratio. So sales, so in the question, that is here in the given, the third one, that sales we have to take. So 1 lakh into 20% is 20% is already we calculate as a PV ratio. The same we have to find it out. If you simplify, you may get 20,000 is a contribution. Then profit, so profit equal to contribution minus fixed cost. So contribution 20,000 minus fixed cost. Fixed cost also we calculate earlier itself, that is 15,000. If you deduct with 20,000, you may get 5,000 as a profit. So for 1 lakh rupees of sales, we may get 5,000 as a profit. And then last one they ask, sales required to earn a profit of rupees 20,000. So the formula is required sales equal to required profit plus fixed cost divided by PV ratio. So required profit in the question, in the fourth one they given 20,000. So take the same plus fixed cost. In the question we calculated 15,000 came, so use the same, divided by PV ratio. So this also we calculate 20% it came, so use the same. If you simplify, that is 35,000 divided by 0.20. So if you simplify again, you may get 1,75,000 as a sales required. That means nothing but if you want to get 20,000 rupees profit, you have to be sold out the goods of rupees 1,75,000. So I hope you understand all the things. We will meet in the next session. Thank you.